Guys, this chair is really awesome. It's a nice, big, tall chair. What makes this chair better than most chairs is one way the price is pretty cheap, and also there's actually springs here. It really feels really great. And if you're wondering about the price, I think that right there's the price, including the shipping. For the item I did, and also let's jack this up. That's how high it gets. If you wonder how high it really gets, this is a normal desk. It's just that high at its max. I'm going to have it at the lowest possible so I can actually get it underneath the desk. If you wonder, this is steel right here. These are all steel components. This thing weighs like 45 pounds. So if you're not very strong, I do recommend someone else helping you to put the sucker together because it's a pain. Really dang good chair. I have tried gamer chairs. They tend not to be that good, but there are good ones out there. I mean, for the price, if you're wondering, pull the switch and this feels so good. If you're wondering, when I was skinnier, I was skinny. No, when I was younger, I was skinny. It's just comes from age. It's really good. So I do recommend buying this chair. Just look at the one part. See you next time.